Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down PT-141, a peptide that's changing the conversation around sexual health. You've probably heard of medications like Viagra, which work on the mechanics, the blood flow. But PT-141 is entirely different. It doesn't work in the bloodstream. It works inside the command center, your brain. It targets the very source of desire and motivation, making it a unique tool for both men and women. So how does it flip the switch on arousal? Let's start with a small, powerful region deep inside your brain called the hypothalamus. Think of it as the control panel for the most fundamental drives: hunger, body temperature, and critically, sexual desire. PT-141 travels to this control panel and connects with two specific receptors, MC3R and MC4R. When it docks with these receptors, it's like turning a key. An ignition sequence starts, sending signals throughout the brain that spark interest, focus, and mental arousal. It's not forcing a physical reaction, it's activating the brain's built-in natural arousal switch. But it goes deeper. This signal then wakes up a specific group of brain cells called POMC neurons. You could imagine these as a dormant libido circuit, just waiting for the right prompt. PT-141 is that prompt. Once activated, these neurons release a hormone called alpha-MSH, which amplifies sexual motivation and makes you more responsive. In essence, PT-141 isn't introducing something foreign. It's waking up the very brain cells that are designed to generate natural desire in the first place. This process then kicks off a powerful chemical cascade, starting with dopamine. You know dopamine as the feel-good chemical, but it's more accurately the motivation chemical. It's the brain's way of saying, pay attention, this is important, go get it. PT-141 boosts dopamine in the brain's reward centers, making the idea of intimacy more compelling and interesting. But desire is only half the equation. The body needs to be ready. That's where the second chemical comes in, norepinephrine. If dopamine creates the want, norepinephrine creates the readiness. It increases alertness, energy, and critically directs blood flow to the right places, preparing the body for a physical response. It's a 1-2 punch: dopamine for mental desire, norepinephrine for physical arousal. And this is precisely why PT-141 stands apart from something like Viagra. Viagra helps the body keep up. PT-141 tells the brain to get started. It works upstream, at the source of desire itself. This is why it can be effective even when other medications aren't, because it's solving a different problem. People who use it often report not just a physical change, but a more natural, authentic increase in desire and responsiveness. And because it targets the brain's universal hardware, it works for both men and women. Now, it's not without potential side effects. The most common are temporary nausea, facial flushing, or a headache. And of course, this is purely educational information, not medical advice. But the takeaway is clear. PT-141 is unique because it works from the inside out. By activating the brain's own desire pathways and boosting the key chemicals for motivation and arousal, it offers a way to enhance sexual interest at its very origin. If you want more peptides explained in simple, easy-to-understand language, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment the next topic you want me to break down.